Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to resolve a PayPal limited account. You need to understand that a limited account means certain actions, like sending or receiving money, are temporarily paused. This often happens due to unusual activity or to meet regulatory requirements. First, log into your PayPal account and look for the Resolution Center or check your notifications. You will find specific reasons for the limitation and instructions on how to proceed there, ensuring a clear path forward. Once logged in, look for the Resolution Center link, usually found near the top or bottom of your PayPal dashboard. This dedicated section details why your account was limited and lists all the specific steps you need to take. You will often see a series of requests, such as verifying your identity or confirming recent transactions. Carefully review each item and understand exactly what information PayPal needs from you before moving forward. To lift the limitation, you will likely need to provide specific documentation. This often includes a government-issued identification, like a driver's license or passport, and proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement, dated within the last 3 months. Use the secure upload feature within the Resolution Center to submit these documents. Make sure your submissions are clear, easy to read, and all names and addresses perfectly match your PayPal profile for an efficient review. After submitting your initial documents, PayPal might have further questions or request additional information to complete their review. Monitor your email and your Resolution Center regularly for these follow-up requests. Provide clear and concise answers to any inquiries, uploading any extra supporting documents if necessary. If for some reason the limitation isn't lifted after this, you may have the option to appeal the decision, providing further context or new evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.